Hello, everyone. It's Liza Long. I just wanted to share how I am using Gemini's agentic browser to review and provide guidance on some of my course assignments in Canvas. Welcome back to school. This is 2 Minutes with AI, and I'm hoping that these 2 minutes will show you some real time-saving techniques that you can use with Canvas. So as you can see right now, I have been creating video responses as AI resistant assignments. Instead of writing a short discussion post, students are going to do these video responses. The transcripts will serve as raw material for more formal short essays. So for this assignment, I was noticing that it just wasn't looking quite right from a student view. And I also noticed that I was having trouble getting Canvas's native recorder to upload videos. So I didn't want students to go through that experience. I wanted to make sure that they were having a positive experience. So I just started chatting with Gemini about this. I've opened Ask Gemini. I do have the paid version of Gemini, so we're working with that. And we had a long conversation about potential things that we could do to fix this assignment. What we landed on, I think, has worked really well. So we use a tool called UJA in our class, and this provides transcripts, which is accessible for students. So I went through asking, I said, it's set to media recording. Oh, that's not working. So it just wasn't working the way I wanted it to. And Gemini helped look at the page and tell me what was wrong and what I could change. So we decided to do text or website URLs instead. And I'm going to create a quick video for students based on the recommended changes to the assignment that Gemini gave me. So we redid the instructions so that it will be a little more student-friendly and student-facing. And this was just a really great experience. It's like having an instructional designer right there, maybe at 2 o'clock in the morning, just like maybe having a custom tutor from us for students is also like having us there at 2 o'clock in the morning. So not that this replaces instructional designers in any way, but it is nice to have this extra support. So I just wanted to show you that workflow in Gemini, and happy prompting.